This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the controller off and removing batteries or unplugging the cable. This prevents shorts. Next, use a Torx T8 to remove the back screws and a spudger to gently pry the shell apart. Work slowly so ribbon cables and triggers remain intact because rushing can break clips. Once the shell opens, set screws in a tray and note button orientation. This makes reassembly faster. Make sure to avoid touching circuit contacts with bare hands to minimize oils and static transfer. You remove stick caps and, if present, any retaining clips or E-clips while noting spring and spacer placement. This preserves calibration. Then, dip a cotton swab in 90% isopropyl and gently clean the sensor ring, pivot, and surrounding plastic to dissolve grime. This restores smooth travel and accurate readings. Use short bursts of compressed air to eject dust and debris. Be careful not to spray directly onto delicate components. Once done, let parts air dry fully to avoid trapping moisture under the sensors. You reassemble by placing springs and spacers exactly where they belonged, reinstalling stick caps, and closing the shell while tightening screws evenly to prevent warping. Then connect the controller and run the console or PC calibration routine, moving sticks through full ranges to verify dead zone and centering. If you still see drift, make sure no debris remains and repeat cleaning. If drift persists, you may need to replace the joystick potentiometer module. One key troubleshooting tip: if a stick reads off-center, recalibrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.